All set now. Ready to race. Penultimate race. And the race is on. Cuts away from the outside. State Witness, Arithmetic, Pure Joy. It's cuts away by Anek, followed by State Witness on the outside. Pure Joy is racing third by about 5 lengths. Then comes Scotland Yard. Down on the inside is Action Sailor, Arithmetic, while Elgin and Chairman is running at the tail of the field by about 9 to 10 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, State Witness, by a length and a half, followed by Cuts Away in second. Moving up from the outside, Scotland Yard, and Pure Joy down on the inside. Action Sailor is racing fifth by about 4 lengths. Another 4 turn, State Witness by about 3 lengths. Scotland Yard and by the Pure Joy, Cuts Away, and Action Sailor. As they race the final corner, State Witness by about 3 lengths, and Scotland Yard in second. Last 150, State Witness, and Scotland Yard is on the outside. State Witness, Scotland Yard burning the tracks from the outside, moves up and nearing the finish line. Scotland Yard, State Witness, Action Sailor, Pure Joy, Elgin and Chairman, Cuts Away.